In this video, we're going to take a look at the Validation Notebook app. The app solves the problem of handling large volumes of unstructured documents, like handwritten forms, certificates, and contracts. In enterprise processes, like banking, you need accuracy and human oversight. That's why we built the Validation app. In the initial dossier view, you can immediately see the completeness status of each case, like 57% or 100%. This is because the AI automatically classifies the documents and flags what's missing compared to the required checklist. If some documents are missing, the operator can ask the chat, for example, to draft an email to the client to request them. The AI already knows what's missing using the case as context and replies with a draft email generated on the fly. Going into a completed case, we can access the dashboard. Instead of opening 29 documents one by one, the AI aggregates the data and shows they refer to 5 different properties. This way, we get an entity-based view instead of a document-based one. Of course, if the user wants, they can see where these properties were extracted from and dive into the details of each document. Going to the Cross-Check tab, you can see how the AI compares data extracted from different documents, like appraisals, title records, floor plans, and it immediately flags inconsistencies with a mismatch. Thanks to this, the user can immediately see which property shows up across all documents. Clicking the property, the user is taken to a table view where the extracted data from the AI is compared with the data in the client's database. This way, you can spot data matches or mismatches. Also, as you can see down here, there's an annotation that hasn't been assigned to any property. That's due to low confidence, for example. The user, after checking which property this annotation belongs to, can, via drag and drop, assign it to the right property, and thanks to this interface, can approve the extracted annotation. Moving to another document, we want to show you another type of annotations, namely derived annotations. This type of annotation is marked by a purple badge, and when you hover over it, you can see which annotations it was derived from. In our interface, you can also edit or delete an annotation. Let's try deleting an annotation that another one is derived from. You're taken to this view where you can see how deleting this annotation affects the derived annotation.